محبوبين عاطر كسر الخواطر يا ولدي ما هان عليا كسر الخواطر يا عالبال بتعم وتروح تحت الرمال حبي حكاني سمعني غناني يا عيوني وتغزل فيا سمعني غناني يا عيوني سمعني غناني يا عيوني وتغزل فيا ايام عالبال بتعن وتروح ايام عالبال بتعن وتروح تحت الرمال ابكي حكاني سمعني غناني يا عيوني وتغزل فيا
Hi sis.
هاي أليسا كيفك؟
Fine you.
فاين اشتقنا لكم.
والله نحن أكتر.
مم.
نحن أكتر.
ايه كمان ثانك يو نحن كمان.
هاي ستيز.
هاي كيفك ماغي؟
بدنا نعمل حصة واحدة.
تمام
إيه؟
انت؟
ليش حصة واحدة؟
sis عنا زوم كتير اليوم.
بنعمل 2 periods كل period شوي.
هلا استاذ.
هلا توماس.
لك كل شيء أخذنا
شو أخذت؟
لهيدا probability.
بعد ما أخذت شيء.
كيف حاطط بكرة تيست؟
Test not probability combination and permutations.
مش نفس الدرس.
هيدا اوفر هيداك ما في اوفر.
استاذ أنا فكرت إنه بكرة عنا general test.
آخ. Did you study for the general test يعني؟
هي أنا هيدي بس.
هلا استاذ.
هلا هاي كاز.
استاذ بس هيدا فهم السؤال صعب.
شو؟
إذا فهمت بتعمل غلط.
إذا ما فهمت بتعمل غلط.
من جد توماس؟
إيه إذا ما فهمت. Akas tas harcumı çaskınas
Okay.
ne sıkal makal yıluduz.
This is a why you have to read slowly.
أستاذ بس في certain keywords يعني بالهي keywords تستخدم هي الفورمولا.
Still, we are at the beginning of this chapter, but we didn't solve.
يعني
بس
هي
يا
just the
بكرة
beginning.
أستاذ
Yes.
فينا نعمل تاني حصة ريفيجن.
ما هيدا revision as revision. ما هيدا we are using.
فينا نعمل ما
إيه.
نعمل حصة زهقت.
يا هيكاز
أستاذ بعد هيدا في فيزيكس بعدين
هاي
بدنا نحفظ مات تيست.
شايف وش كنت عم تعمل بالويك اند؟ ليش ما درست بالويك اند؟
ما بقدر.
كم ساعة عملنا بالويكند؟
ما بصير بالزور عملنا.
اف إيه شو بتقول انا كل يوم عندي 6 periods اونلاين، شو ما ده سيم.
نحن السبن.
لا تاني ديت كمان انت كمان
يلا حشنا ويلا. اوكي we took
ستة بنعمل مراجعة.
حاش نعمل مراجعة انت.
لك هيدا
بس what we took in the previous 2 periods. The previous periods we choose simultaneously. We used combinations. Friday we took choose successively. We use permutations. We cannot use combinations. Today we are going to take an example. Choose from 2 different sources. Given 2 erms, we have 2 erms. Air new contains 3 balls carrying the number 1. Carrying 3 balls carrying the number 1. So we have 3 balls carrying the number 1 and 2 balls carrying each the number 3. In total, we have 5 balls. RMV contains 2 balls carrying the number 1 and 3 balls carrying each the number 3. So in total, we have 5 balls. Okay, I have drawn the figure. Part A. We draw at random 1 ball from you. We take 1 ball from you and 1 ball from V. Sure, whenever you are asked 1 ball, we cannot say simultaneously or successively. 1 ball. Part 1. What is the probability that the 2 drawn balls carry the same number? Who can answer the first question?
أول إرن
Yes.
بدنا ناخد C31 times C32 يعني number 1 and number 3.
Can you describe the situation?
Because there is 2 choices يعني 50%.
Can you say What you are talking? Okay, who can describe the situation? How the balls carry the same number?
يعني بدنا ناخد من الأول 1
إيه.
أو 1 3 ومن الثاني 1 3.
يعني كيف how to write them?
قلت
يعني
هلا
3 2 1.
I have to describe. So I am choosing a ball from
في إيه.
I am choosing a ball from you and a ball from V. What I choose from you, either one from you and one from V, or P of
3 3.
3 from you with 3 and 3 from V.
And
This is
ما
the
في 1 3
yes?
1 3
Yeah, because carry the same number. 1 3 are same number. If 1 3 same number, we can write it.
اوكي انا غير شيء كان خلاص.
Okay. Who can tell what is the probability? One from U and one from V.
يعني total 5.
Yes.
3/5
Yes.
times 2/5.
Okay. One from you is 3/5 and 2/5 plus equals 12/25. So whenever we choose from two sources,
ما بنحط choose.
whenever we use it, choose simultaneously. فيك تحط choose هذا تحط instead 3 تحطه 1 3/1 5 times 1 2/1 5 if you like. You choose mostly we use whenever we choose more than one. We can put each one combination. هيدا فينا نحط. Yes.
3 5 كيف صار هدول؟
To choose one from you. To choose the ball number 1 from you. How many balls number 1 in you?
3
Over the total number of you
5 okay.
times 1 from V. How many ones in V?
2 then total is 5. Yes.
You understand it?
Yes.
Okay, so you have to describe the situation before start multiplication or combinations or I don't know. Don't start with numbers. It is not correct. You have to describe. Part 2. What is the probability that the two drawn balls carry a number whose sum is 4? كيف sum is 4?
يعني 1 plus 3 هيك.
Yes. يعني
1 3 و1 1.
from where?
أستاذ
Probability sum equal 4. Describe the situation. How to describe what we take from U and what we take from V.
One from U, 3 from V, or 3 from U, 1 from V.
Okay. U, V. 1 from U, 3 from V, or P of 3 from you, 2 from 1 from V. Equals. Now let's translate it into numbers. 1 from you, how many ones in you?
3.
3 over the total number of balls in you, 5. And it becomes times 3 from V. How many balls number 3 from V?
3.
Plus 3 from you, 2 over 5, and 1 from V, 2 over 5. Any questions about part A?
No.
So describe the situation, then change the situation into numbers. Don't forget, probability is possible over total. If we choose one ball or one element, we can use combination, or you can write it without combinations. Now, in this part, we draw simultaneously so simultaneously we have to use combination. And at random, 2 balls from you, 2 balls from you, and 1 ball from V. So in this part, we choose 2 balls from you instead of 1. We choose 2 from you and 1 from V. Consider the event E. The sum of the numbers carried by the 3 drawn balls is 7. Show that probability that E is 2 over 5. Probability E, sum equals 7. Describe the situation. كيف بيطلع السام 7؟
يعني من U بدنا ناخد 2 balls and from V 1 ball.
Yes. And their sum is 7.
From U بناخد 3 and from V 1.
Probability.
Or
From you, I take 2 balls 3. And from V, I take the ball number 1. Or, what is the other situation?
ناخد 1 and 3 from U.
Okay, probability. 1 and 3 from you. And 3 from V. Is there any situation? Hi, Kaz, do we have another situation?
Yes,
What is the situation?
we can take 3 balls, one from you
I have to
and
take,
from
Alyssa, I have to take a maximum of 2 balls from you. I have to choose 2 balls only from you, okay?
okay. نعمل 1 from you and 2, 3 from
I have, Alyssa, I have to choose from V only 1 ball.
There is no other situation.
ما في.
Okay, Mafi. So after writing the situation, I have to change them to numbers. Equals. So I take from 2 sets, I put and I put times plus times. So and is times or is a plus. 2 balls, 3 from you. How to write it? First, a dash total of you. How to write the total here? How many balls I have to choose from you?
2.
How to write it? Here.
يعني total C
Yes.
5 2.
C 5 2. I have to choose from 5. For
It is
1 minute, Haikaz.
okay.
C 2 2.
C 2 2. I have to choose number 1 from V. How to write it number 1 from V? How much is the total?
C 5 1.
Okay, I can write it without or with combination. If you like to write it with combination, 1 choose 5, or you can write it 5. And I have to choose ball number 1 from V. What is the ball number 1 from V?
C to 1.
Okay. So هذا total هون is 2 5 the same 1 5. Now I need one ball number 1 from you and one ball number 3. How to write it? 1 and 3 from you.
نعمل C1 2 and C C هيدا 3 1 1 3.
And I need the ball number 3 from V. I need the ball number 3. How many threes you have?
3.
3.
3. You get 2 over 5. Yes, Haikaz, what is your question?
إذا بغابة أمتى بدي أعمل use combinations and الثاني هي counting.
Probability شو counting? Counting you have either use combination or permutations. Will count.
إيه combinations أمتى بدي أعرف أي واحدة.
Whenever you choose simultaneously, Haikaz, you use combinations. Successively, you cannot use combinations.
هذا
فوق
successively.
شو؟
فوق فينا use combinations
When?
بالA1
We
A1
can use قلت we can use مثلا for example 3 هيدا ال 3 I can put on C1 3 C1 5 C1 2 C1 5 you can use, but whenever we use one element, not necessary to use combinations. If you like, then we took a property in the previous chapter and choose one is n. So Instead of saying I have to choose 1 from n, I put n.
Yes.
هيدا question from the sessions.
official exam.
Yes, official exam.
أيوة.
So don't start with numbers. Describe the situation. Understand how many we have to choose from each source. Then describe the situation. Then change this situation into numbers. With and, we use multiplication. With or, we have to choose addition. It's okay?
Yes.
Now, conditional probability. We took in the previous examples that we have done in Thursday and Friday examples about conditional probability. Yes? Chris asked me, he didn't understand conditional probability.
What?
You said you didn't understand that
Oh, yes.
knowing that the 3 items are gold, what is the probability that they are bracelets, for example? We have done, Sheikh. Now we are going to define, and we have to put a rule in case we cannot use the definition of conditional probability. There is a definition and there is a rule. Sometimes we cannot use the definition, so we are going to use the rule. A and B be 2 events in the universe omega. Like if you remember, we took the first example, the urn contains 12 balls. We say that the omega is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. This is all the universe. We call it the universe. Suppose we call A the even number, B we get a blue color. A and B are 2 events of the universe. Any 2 events. The probability that A is realized, knowing that B is realized, the probability that A is realized, knowing that the event B is realized, is called the conditional probability. And we write it probability of A given B. Not necessary this one.
يعني هيدا الأوفر يعني.
هيدا slash probability of A given B. Probability of A given B.
لما عدد بيصير knowing ناخد التوتال غير هيدا هو.
Yes, هيدا we call it conditional probability. So conditional probability. So A and B are 2 events of the universe. The probability of the event A occurs, the event of A, knowing that A is realized, is called conditional probability and denoted by probability of A given B. Also, we have in the same probability of what we call this one. How to read this one? Probability of B knowing that A. Probability of B knowing that A has occurred. Calculate the probability of B knowing that A has occurred. Okay, take a break for 15 minutes. We will start at 9:05, okay?
Okay, bye.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye bye.
Bye.